Hey, what's up, Spore Finance holders? So this is live price prediction. What's my opinion and what's the technical analysis in what's tomorrow, my brother? Can tomorrow Spore Finance will give you a good profit or not, my brother? Absolutely, we discuss about this in this video. So kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, the last 3 days chart, absolutely, if we if we predicate this coin, then absolutely we understand to upcoming time there is a chance to this coin moving upward or not. The last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is going to show you to the change occur will be negative. So it's mean to the price is completely decreased now, and this coin is gone in the garbage now. What's the main reason to this coin is fails down? The main there are, my friends, two reasons, and the first reason is that this is the start of month, especially, my brother, all currencies is fails down and this time in the crypto market. So therefore I think Spore Finance is also fails down. So, and the second reason is that, my brothers, to short-term investor, if a short-term investor see the big jump, then definitely they are starting selling. So therefore, my friend, if you can see at this time, this here is a big jump, especially in the first week of this month. All cryptocurrencies moving upward, because in the last month all currencies is fades down. So therefore in the start of this month all currencies is moving upward like a rocket. So definitely, my friend, after a good jump, when holders see this good jump, then definitely they starting decide they selling. So they are completely fails down. So holders don't see the short fail, this short jump. I hope in upcoming times they will move upward, because if you can see, my brother, this time you can see here, my brother, and June 10 you can see here they fails down. So it's 100% sure, my brothers, to after this fails they take a jump. So I'm 100% sure to upcoming time tomorrow they will give you a very good profit, and the change occur will be positive now. So it's mean to upcoming time they will give you a profit. So tomorrow they will completely going the moon. So you need to hold it, and if you have any plan to invest more, then definitely I think today is very good day to you buy it, hold it, and wait just in all, my friend. If you are a short-term investor, then one day hold, definitely, absolutely, my friend, 100% sure today will give you a good profit now. All right, let's see, my brother, last 1 hour chart. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour chart absolutely going to be positive. So it's mean to this coin is starting moving upward now. You can see at this time the Spore price is 0.1% increase now, and the price is 0. But absolutely, my friend, because in the last 2 months this coin is completely falls down, so therefore the price is 0. But don't see this short fail. Absolutely, I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will give you a good profit now, and the change occur will be positive. You need to hold it. Thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.